Decoding the Phrase Atonement. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Atone. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in various contexts. Atone is a verb which means to make amends or make up for a wrongdoing or an error. Imagine it as trying to balance out a mistake by doing something good. When someone atones, they try to correct a previous mistake, often through some action or expression of remorse. To help understand, let's look at the structure of the word. Atone can be broken down into two parts, a and tone. While this might not provide a direct clue about its meaning, historically, the word has roots connecting it to being at one or reconciliation. So, you can think of atoning as becoming one again with someone you might have wronged, or re-establishing harmony. Let's look at how atone is used in various sentences. 1. After forgetting their anniversary, Jordan tried to atone by planning a surprise romantic getaway. 2. The company tried to atone for its environmental mistakes by planting thousands of trees. 3. She donated to charity to atone for her past selfish actions. From these examples, you can see that atone can be used in a variety of situations, both personal and more broad or societal. Understanding synonyms can help solidify a word's meaning. Some synonyms for atone are repent, make amends, recompense, redress. All these words relate to the idea of making up for an error or wrongdoing. There you have it. Now you not only know what atone means but also how to use it contextually. Words are powerful tools, and understanding their depth can enrich our communication. We hope this video shed light on the phrase atone and made your English language journey a bit more exciting. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.